here's the baby, the puppy Augustus. What are you gonna do, sir? Can we see? Oh, see, that's okay. All right. How about I know? Are you? Let me see. I'm sorry. Augustus with his Augustus tag. See, Daddy's just saying, you want to say hello to everybody, so, Okay. All right. Now that you said hello to everybody, I want to shake your hand. I want to thank you. Thank you for coming on the show. Okay. Oh, yep, that's it. Okay, now we're going to go have to get some kind of would you like to get a treat? And that's how we end the show. Boop.